Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question y equal to x square x sin x divided by x cube plus 1, and we have to differentiate this question. So first of all we will write differentiation sign over here dy divided by dx into d divided by dx and the whole question. So now we will use a quotient rule or quotient formula for the derivation of this. So according to this formula, u divided by v equal to u prime v minus v prime u divided by v squared. So here we have this term is equal to u, and this is equal to v. So we have this question, and u equal to x square x sin x. This is our u, and this is our v. So v equal to x cube plus 1, and now we will differentiate this. So here we will use product rule, and according to this product rule, the differentiation of these values. So here we have three different terms, that is x square is one term, ex is another, and sin x is another. So according to product rule, first we will differentiate this, and where this first term and second and third term will remain as it is, like this. So differentiation of first term and second and third term as it is. Then differentiation of this second term and first and third term will remain as it is. So this and like this x square and this sin x. And finally, differentiation of this third term and these two terms will remain as it is, like this over here. And now the differentiation of x square is 2x, and the differentiation of e power x equal to e power x as it is, and the differentiation of sin x equal to cos x. So we will introduce these differentiation over here. So this will become 2x, and similarly this will remain as e power x, and this sin x will shift to cos x after differentiation. And now finally we will take this ex common from these values, because we have ex is common in all the three values. So ex is common. After taking ex common, so 2x sin x plus x squared sin x plus x squared cos x. So this is the differentiation of this term, and or this term you can say. And now we will differentiate this. So the differentiation of this is equal to 3 x squared, and differentiation of constant equal to 0. So we have used the power rule over here. According to power rule, we write power in place of coefficient, and then we subtract 1 from power. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So overall the differentiation of this will become 3x squared. And now we will put the values, because now we have all the values. We have the value of u prime, and we have the value of v, and we have the value of v prime, and we have v square as well. So let's put the values. So u prime, we have determined the differentiation. So this whole value is the u prime, and then v equal to 3, this x cube plus 1, and then v prime. So we have v prime 3x square over here, and then u. So we have u equal to x square ex sin x, and here v square. So we have v equal to this. So x cube plus 1 squared. And now this ex and x cube plus 1 we will write over here, and this value, and here we will multiply this 3x square and x square. So this will become 3x power 4, because when base are same or and in multiply, so their power will add. So this will become 3x power 4, and this term. So overall, this was our question, and this is the differentiation of this question. So I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Anyway, if you have any kind of question, so you can also ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.